natural profile, saturation, contrast, everything as 0. With electronic stabilization on, auto ISO up to 200. Let me just put into the manual ISO 6400 f2, ISO 3200 or ISO 6400. Let me just go to ISO 3200, ISO 6400. So this is the ISO 6400. How good is the stabilization? And then, am I in focus or not? Okay, I think yeah, this is fine. ISO 6400. Let me just put into the auto ISO, because EM1 Mark III, the auto ISO only go up to 200. Now ISO auto, ISO 250 shutter speed. How good is the video quality? Am I in focus or not? I think this is fine. F2. I think I'm in focus. How good it is? This is a low light test. So is my face is focus or not? I think I should be in focus right now. Auto ISO up to ISO 2500. Oh, sadly the electronic stabilization was off, and you are hearing from the Audio Technica 89912. So I'm gonna switch the microphone also. So let me switch to microphone and turn on the electronic stabilization, and then put the natural profile to -2. So natural profile -2, saturation, sharpness, everything -2. Auto ISO is going to ISO 200 f2. Electronic stabilization on. Now using the Comica microphone. How good is the focus? Am I in focus or not? Is my face in focus or not? EM1 Mark III. Am I in focus or not? Low light test. So let me increase ISO 6400. Shutter 50. Manual shooting. ISO 6400. It's low light. That's why ISO 6400. I put into auto ISO right now. Auto ISO. I'm just overexposing. No idea why am I overexposing. F4. I don't want to overexpose. So let me know in the comment section box below. What do you think about it? Bye. Also auto ISO 3200. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section box below. Bye.